Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and it can be really challenging to find the right pillows. There are so many options out there that I can find it really overwhelming. But I have definitely found everything that I need from a pillow in these Bioeartha memory foam pillows. Considering how compact and flat these pillows were when they arrived, I was so surprised to see how much they fluffed up. Because of the excellent memory foam filling, I find that these pillows have the perfect balance of soft and firm. The density of them is just right in my opinion. An extra feature of them is that they come with extra filling, so I can add more to them if I want to. I personally like my pillows a little bit higher and more supportive, so I did choose to add some extra filling to each of them. It's really easy to do. I love that these pillows are customizable this way, and I am such a fan of this option. They are a great size for my queen size bed. I find that their supportiveness is evenly spread out across the pillow, and they have this great bounce back quality to them, and they retain their shape perfectly. If you're like me and you're one of those people who is constantly turning your pillow and trying to find the cool spots on the pillow, well, these pillows are probably for you. They are very cool to the touch and just refreshing to lie on. There is so much that I love about these Bioeartha pillows. I am so glad to have them. And that's my point of view.